Can you actually use DeepSeek on WhatsApp conversations? While it's possible using some third-party methods, it's not actually recommended because of privacy concerns, and it's not officially supported by the company behind DeepSeek. What I recommend is downloading the DeepSeek application from the Google Play Store, searching for DeepSeek, and then downloading it, and then install it on your phone. You can simply tap to open it and then send your messages to the DeepSeek application. And it basically works like that. This is the supported method, supported application from the company itself, and it's safe to use. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.